Please try this healthy avocado tortilla wrap. Filled with avocado spread and other ingredients. This is really amazing recipe. Take 2 avocados. 1 tin boiled chickpeas for 100 grams. 1 big lemon juice. 3 tablespoons tahini or olive oil. 2 garlic cloves. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. 1/2 cup coriander leaves. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons water. Blend it. Avocado spread is ready. This avocado recipe is quite healthy, and you can try with bread, wrap, nacho, and other things. Garnish with flax seeds. Chili flakes optional. Take a wrap. Spread it evenly. Put spinach. Sliced tomatoes. Sliced bell pepper capsicum. Sliced paneer cottage cheese. Sprinkle black pepper. Fold and enjoy eating. Isn't this quick and healthy recipe? You can also fill with another ingredients. Please comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.